How should you apply for the ignition interlock device in Georgia when you've been arrested for a DUI? Well, you have 30 days to make the decision, but realistically, you need to make the decision a little bit sooner because you need to be ready by that 30th day to walk into the Department of Driver Services and apply for the permit. So how do you get ready? Well, the first part is making the decision that you do want to apply. Once you are sure that that is the right move, then you want to move quickly to get the ignition interlock device installed in your vehicle. That is the starting point for the application process, and surprisingly, it does not start at Department of Driver Services. You want to go to an approved vendor of the devices, and you can check on the Department of Driver Services website to make sure that you have found an approved vendor. Their website is www.dds.ga.gov. Once you've had the ignition interlock device installed in your car, then you are ready to go to the local branch of Department of Driver Services to apply for your ignition interlock device. Now, once there, be prepared because you will sign a waiver saying that you do not intend to challenge the suspension, but rather you are submitting to the ignition interlock device permit process. Additionally, you want to be careful because some people wait up till the last minute and think, they look at the calendar and think that they have 30 days and plan to go to the Department of Driver Services on the 30th day, which sometimes will fall on a Monday. Be careful, make sure you are aware of the hours of Department of Driver Services because they are closed on Mondays. You want to give yourself plenty of time because sometimes you'll find yourself getting to the Department of Driver Services on the 30th day and you don't have everything you need, and it can put you in a real bind if you have missed that deadline because often your license will go into automatic suspension if you haven't either sent in the appropriate letter or had everything done and applied for by the 30th day.